再来看美国共和党的总统候选人川普，昨伫加州造势时，为另外伫现场掠到一个有炸穿的查甫人。另外，民主党的总统候选人贺锦丽是批评川普甲几个共和党的人士，将对风台讲一寡假消息，造成民众得到错误的信息。
共和党总统候选人川普去到加州科切拉举行造势活动。美国总统大选正伫最后冲刺阶段，选情紧张，维安人员也拢身经病案。13伫造势活动会场外的检查站逮捕一名查某人。
What we do know is he showed up with multiple passports with different names, an unregistered vehicle with fake license plate, and loaded firearms. If you're asking me right now, I probably did have deputies that prevented the third assassination attempt.
这名49岁拉斯维加斯居民，赛季代步注册黑色的车，挂家己做的车牌，车顶已经有戴好枪支的枪机，甲大量枪支阿爸互逮捕。这已经是7月川普伫宾州遭到枪击受伤，甲9月。 伫非洲面临要互暗杀了后，第3摆有人想要暗杀伊。川普伫随后演说中批评民主党候选人贺锦丽伫担任加州检察长期间的记录，加为第三世界引进移民罪犯。
Kamala Harris and the radical Democrats have destroyed this state. California's really it's a paradise lost, but we're going to bring it back. Don't worry about it. We're bringing it back. It'll happen fast. We'll stop the murderers from coming in, the drug dealers, everybody coming into California, coming into our country.
另外，贺锦丽是中返北卡罗来纳州批评川普在内的几位共和党人，针对警方一直散布假消息，可能造成民众真歹得到救命信息。
And one may ask why, and I think sadly, frankly, the motives are quite transparent: to gain some advantage for themselves. To play politics with other people's heartbreak, and it is unconscionable. Now is not a time to incite fear.
而且过去川普一直认为提前投票甲邮寄投票是危险甲意图诈欺的方式。不过伫竞选最后阶段，川普团队却强烈鼓励选民量早透过邮寄投票。高罗列斯受到飓风影响严重的北卡罗来纳州，会当有更较侪投票的方式。公司新闻陈伟宁编译。